baterya, mas flat na siya, saka mas ayan. Okay, so ayos na to sa likod na to. Okay, na. Scratches. Okay, ready na yung strings. Strings naman. Na. So, first, lalagyan ko muna ng string. I-tune up ko, tapos chechingin ko yung intonation. Maganda tong gitarang to eh. Ganda ng tunog nito eh. Mas buo ang tunog nito kaysa dun sa yung Yamaha ko. Push. Okay. Lagyan na natin ang strings. As usual, ang binibili ko Diadario. Marami naman mga magagandang strings eh. Ewan ko ba kung bakit yung trip ko. Okay. Alright, now I'm gonna show you how to there's another way of putting strings on your guitar. Okay, and I'm gonna show you a different way. What you're gonna do is first put the string into that hole there, right? Okay, and then you have to have this a little bit up like this. Okay, about this much. It's about, like you put your finger like that, right? Okay, and then here you will notice that this post, it's gonna turn counterclockwise like this, right? So I'm going to bend it right here like that, right? And then under this string, this part of the string, right? Okay, let me put it in like that. Okay, and then I'm going to bend it and put it in like that. Okay, and then you turn. See how it's turning? Now it's gonna self-lock. See, that's why you have to have this like that, because when you start turning it, it will self-lock, and then you got a good grip on the post. Next string. Okay. Now this is a little tricky here. because you see how this bridge is designed. You see a lot of these rollers here. Okay, so the first roller, the big roller, it goes under, and then on the second roller it goes over like this. See it? You see it, Jeremy? Perrin? Here like this. Oops. I'm gonna put it in. That. Okay, and then about that much. Okay, turn it around here like so, right, and under, around and under. Oops, ano ba to? There, and then over like that. There. Okay, now let's turn. Wait a minute. I just bought this thing. There. See? Next one. Okay, again. This one goes under the big roller and up onto the small roller. Under, right? Under, oops, under and over, like that, and then turn. Yeah. All right. Next one, the green one. Woohoo! Getting all this?
Yep.
You learning from it? Oh, wait. It's too tight. Okay, and then on here. So around the front, this under, around and under, and then over. There. Wait. It's a little awkward. Tuning a guitar. Ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng intonation in a guitar? Basically po, ang intonation ay ang kakayanan ng gitara na maging in tune siya all across the fretboard of your guitar. Ibig sabihin, kahit na 7th fret o 12th frets pa yung piniplay ninyo na nota, palaging tama ang kanyang nota, hindi sharp or hindi rin flat. Dito po sa illustration na to, makikita nyo ang different parts of a guitar. At makikita ninyo doon sa arrow, kapag nagpe-play kayo ng chords sa itaas, in tune siya. Pero pagdating niya sa mga baba, sa higher frets, out of tune na siya. So, yun po ang proper intonation. Ano nga ba ang dahilan kung bakit nawawala sa intonation ng gitara? Ito po ang different parts na kailangan ninyong malaman, yung nut, yung bridge, at yung 12th fret. At ang distansya po from the nut to the 12th fret and from the 12th fret to the bridge ay dapat po ay magkapareho or equal ang distansya. Kung hindi po, wala sa tono ang gitara nyo, theoretically. So, kung ganun po, ano ang kailangan natin gawin o ang pwede natin gawin? Kung ang gitara nyo ay acoustic, mahihirapan dahil fixed ang bridge. Pero sa electric guitar, pwede po, madali lang. At dahil po ang electric guitar, adjustable ang mga bridge. Tulad nito, yan. At ina-adjust siya sa mga adjusting screws. So, paano po natin itatama ang intonation ng gitara? First of all kailangan tuned muna yung gitara ninyo. Tapos, ilagay ninyo ang inyong daliri sa 12th fret at tingnan nyo kung ang mga strings, tama pa rin ang kanilang nota. Note na kapag pinlay ninyo ang strings sa 12th fret, a full octave po ang diferensya noon sa original na open string. Pakatatandaan lang po ang mga simpleng rules na ito. Kapag ang intonation ng string masyadong flat, adjust nyo po ang bridge forward. At kung ang intonation naman niya ay sharp, masyadong mataas, i-adjust nyo po ang bridge backward. At ito po ang step by step na kailangan ninyong gawin para itama ang intonation. Paulit-ulit lang po itong procedure na to hanggang sa maabot ninyo ang tamang intonation ng bawat string. At ito po naman ang iba-ibang style ng bridges na makikita ninyo sa mga iba-ibang klaseng gitara na nasa market ngayon. Kaya dapat po malaman ninyo mabuti kung anong klaseng bridge meron sa gitara ninyo at kung paano i-adjust dahil iba-iba po ang style ng pag-a-adjust ng bridge sa electric guitar. Ayos na! Naayos ko na. Check it out. Yung built-in fast circuit na ginawa ko 30 years ago, gumagana pa hanggang ngayon. Ayos! Check natin. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe dito